The world of open-source AI moves fast, and LTX-2 just hit the scene. The official ComfyUI blog confirms it. LTX-2 is natively supported. This model is a beast, offering enhanced visual quality and a massive leap forward in how AI handles the relationship between video and audio. It's built to be more than just a moving image. It's aiming for a full cinematic experience right out of the box. But before you even think about generating, you need to head to your ComfyUI folder and run that update bat. We are officially in the version 0.8 era now. If you don't update, the new LTX-V nodes simply won't show up, and your workflow will be broken before you even start. Now, let's open ComfyUI and load that official template. Check the links for the specific model files you need, download every one of them, and drop them into the correct folders inside your ComfyUI directory. You can check the subgraph to peek at the logic under the hood, but for most people, that isn't necessary. We only need to worry about the prompt, the resolution, and the video duration, all of which are located outside the subgraph right on the surface. If you hit QPrompt and immediately see an out-of-memory error, don't panic, it's happening to everyone. Close Comfy, edit your start bat, and add Reserve VRAM 4. This is the most stable fix. It gives ComfyUI a specific budget and allows it to smartly offload to system RAM from the very beginning. If you're on a really low-end card, you might even need no VRAM. Secondly, go into your settings and set the live preview method to none. Lastly, if you're still struggling, try using the FP8 version of the Gemma 312B text encoder. It's almost half the size of the original file. These 3 tweaks combined are the difference between a crash and a successful render. Looking at the workflow, you'll notice several specialized nodes like the LTX-V scheduler and the LTX text encoder loader. This system handles video and audio latents separately before merging them through an LTX-V concat AV latent node. It's a sophisticated setup that ensures your frame count and audio length stay perfectly in sync. You don't need to change anything inside the subgraph, except to ensure all nodes point to the correct files you just downloaded. When prompting for LTX-2, be descriptive. It excels at realism and specific lip syncing.
Good morning, I'm finally awake. Good morning, I'm finally awake. Can you keep a secret? Can you keep a secret?
As we see in these results, the skin textures and the way it handles lighting, from a dark library to a neon-lit nightclub, are incredible.
The secret to a perfect morning is actually just starting watching the 3-Minute Node YouTube channel.
The 3-minute node, shout out in this kitchen scene, shows just how far prompt adherence has come.
The 3-Minute Node is the fastest node I have ever tested. Just look at the frame rate, it is absolutely buttery.
It's not perfect yet, though. You might see some random white text flickering in, especially in vertical 720x1280 formats. This is likely a side effect of the training data, specifically social media clips with burned-in captions. It's a reminder that even at the cutting edge, we're still working with the quirks of the source material.
I told him the party started at 5, but I knew he'd be late, so I showed up at 6 and he was still in the shower.
So I'm standing there totally confident, and I realize I've been talking to a mannequin for 5 whole minutes, and the worst part, I think he was winning the argument.
Success isn't about being the best, it is about being better than you were yesterday.
No way, these just landed. The leather quality is insane, and the colorway is even better in person. You guys need...
LTX-2 is a powerhouse, and with these optimizations, it's accessible to more creators than ever. Grab the workflow in our Discord, experiment with those prompts, and comment below to let me know what you find. Stop watching, start creating. And that's the node, all open source, no filler. Thank you for watching. Grab the file, keep creating.